To set up date and time settings on Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter system options right here, and then we can scroll down to the date and time. Inside there's multiple different options, and let's start with the top. We have automatic date and time. If you toggle this option on, then your date and time will be set automatically. If you set it off, then you'll be able to adjust date and time manually. I prefer to have this option on, since turning it off and adjusting time or date manually may cause some synchronization issues. You won't be able to open certain websites or use different apps. The next thing is automatic time zone. If you activate this option, it will automatically set a time zone based on your location if you activate the second option, or if you turn it off, you can also the same way pick a different time zone. But again it may cause some issues, so I would prefer to have it on. On the bottom there's more settings, and here we can change our clock to 12 hours format or 24 hours format, and we can also pick option that will automatically select it based on the time zone that we have also selected. Then there's notifications. You'll get notified when your time changes automatically, so you can toggle it on for time zone change and schedule clock change. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.